Okay.
What is it that you have done to your ex even today? He doesn't know.
Should I start?
You can start.
Say it.
Like you cheated in what way?
I kissed like a million other
Only
guys.
two.
Yeah, I'm a virgin.
You
So,
know, yeah, virgin.
so I kissed like a million other guys while I was dating him and stuff. And also now I'm talking to his friend. No, his friend texted me and stuff recently. And I told my ex, I was like, tell me, your friends in my DMs. And the friend he once hated me. I think I'm speaking too much.
No, it's fine.
Okay, sure. The friend used to hate me when I was dating him, but now he's in my DMs asking me and stuff, saying that I'm treating
So, are you not guys vibing?
No.
Like, are you falling for him?
No, he's very ugly. But he's big. Like he's big.
Like
I'm
big,
not gonna
big
use him.
how?
I'm not gonna use him for the like class he has.
He's big.
So I don't want to. He's too ugly.
So why is he still in your inbox?
Cause he nyakas me.
He nyakas you, ne?
So if not-
That means you nyakas him.
If no someone like
He's on my spam. Nah? And like spam we have to interact as mutual. So I'm not gonna shop him with a bomb now because like that's weird for spam mutual.
Okay.
Remember that day? Remember the day we met? So you knew that I liked Kamu before I liked you, right? Yeah, and then shush. And then yeah, Kamu. Once we got out of the place where I Kamu didn't cousin. Yeah. So then after I told you that I wanted you, I never wanted you to begin with. I just wanted you because I wanted to spite my friend. Guys,
So, like-
what the best friend guy before the yeah.
Because my dad is a cheater, right?
What is it that you have done for love?
Jojo.
So the guy I was dating, okay, the guy I'm with now. I went to my father's place.
Okay, bafethi ngathi bafethi basathuta bathumele bajulule banamanga sebazokuthi simela futhi bafethi babheka games namafethi nje kanjani
So, sister Subani kama lako.
Ke lebogile.
No.
Bani?
No.
Now.
No.
neo obviously
Like, I can say the voice, ne? Okay. So, yeah, ne re tlo botsa dipotso tse 3. Go fa 3 so ka fela ke 6. ne?
tse ke ba fa 12
12.
6
Oh, wa buela tlase so tlo tloa freezer mas.
oh okay shela ya flop
Okay, sharp, ne? Number 1 question, guys. I get on the X again. Kaya
Finally?
the X.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, whenever on anyone.
Ah,
Sister
okay.
get on the X. Kaya. Yeah. So, like, what I was saying, like, interview right, guys, it's all about the past. ne?
It's all about the past.
Yeah. Like, I tlametse ho pata next. We have to be open. Like, the past, by the way. Like, into a fitile. So, I stress too much. Okay, sharp. King to kill my ex, I'll know it.
Ingi?
Into my ex, I'll know it.
Yeah.
kunjona tu batla go tsitile ka sekgowa
No, it's okay.
What is it that you have done to your ex even today? He doesn't know.
Should I start?
You can start.
Better. So I've changed though. I'm a changed girl, changed man,
Yeah, it's the
and
past.
stuff. So at a house party, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
We had miles of rage and stuff. He was there as well. I went with him and stuff. But I cheated on him, and then his friends saw me, right, kiss like a different girlie, a different guy and stuff. And then they told him. But I guess last time I was like, no, I didn't do it and stuff. But I cheated on him so many times.
Like you cheated in what way?
I kissed like a million other
Only
guys.
kiss.
Yeah, I'm a
You
virgin.
did.
So,
You're a virgin.
so I kissed like a million other guys while I was dating him and stuff. And also now I'm talking to his friend. No, his friend texted me
Now.
and stuff recently. And I told my ex, I was like, tell me, your friends in my DMs. And the friend they once hated me. I think I'm speaking too much.
No, it's fine. You want
Okay,
me to
sharp.
speak.
The friend used to hate me when I was dating him, but now he's in my DMs wanting me and stuff, saying he's not treating me
So, are you not guys vibing?
No.
Like, are you falling for him?
No, he's very ugly. But he's big. He's big.
Like
But I'm
big,
not gonna use
big
him.
how?
I'm not gonna use him for the like class he has.
He's big.
So-
So she block him is dying.
I don't want him. He's too ugly.
So why is he still in your inbox?
Cause he nyakas me.
Inyakas you, ne?
So if not,
That means you nyakas him.
hey, if no sawata like on yagas no sarat it's like in Kebekalo.
He's on my spam, nah? And like spam we have to interact as mutuals. So I'm not gonna shop him with a bomb now because like that's weird for spam mutuals.
Oh, okay. You
Nothing.
nothing.
I'm
Okay,
being honest. I haven't done anything.
Okay, listen. What did you do to him that he didn't find out? Particularly,
Remember that day?
Uh,
Remember the day we met?
yes.
So you knew that I liked Kamu before I liked you, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and then
Kamu.
shush.
Kamu.
Yeah, gotcha.
And then Kamu, once we got out of the place we're at, Kamu didn't kaza me. Yeah. So then after I told you that I wanted you, I never wanted you to begin with. I just wanted you because I wanted to spite my friend. Because my friend wanted you.
Koli.
Yeah.
Koli wanted me.
So is he your type?
No.
Why?
So I tried no baki sana Koli.
Yeah.
You never had feelings?
No, I never had feelings for Fente.
Why?
At that time, he just wasn't my type.
Now he's your type. Nah, I understand that. I don't explain. He's your type now.
No. Yeah, man. It is what it is.
So you only the ex that you like you did bad is him only? No, I doubt.
There's no one. I never did anyone dirty. Hey?
Why?
I'm not like that.
So we are holy. No?
I'm not holy. I'm just not like that.
I was honest.
I was also
Okay,
honest.
ne? If she doesn't wanna talk, reveal her thoughts.
No.
Reveal her
No.
thoughts.
No.
Like that one
Just
particular
one.
fight.
No.
Guys,
So,
you
so,
wanna
like-
go what you go to the best friend before you tell Liena. And neresa tsebane by that time.
Le monna.
Eh.
Boyfriend.
Eh.
Re bonane re.
Idiota di ring.
Oh, the ring.
Oh, why you want that?
So, ne, what's your take ukuthi umfana kumele abe nesithembu? Like, what's your take?
Umfana mele abe nesithembu. Hayi umfana ngaba nesithembu kodwa ayila kimi.
Why not good?
Angangijwayeli kabi. Ke choice ya gae nagana ona le sithembu ko nna. Like sithembu ne to me, a sithembu just basically means the girl is not enough, which is why you went for other bitches as well. So I'm sorry, I wouldn't do that to
Not
myself.
okay. Not particularly enough. Ne, maybe let's say umuntu like.
Why we
prefer-
justify?
I keep justify like what is tembu kina ni motho.
Exactly.
Eh.
So don't agree with sithembus. Don't even explain it. Sure.
Yeah, so okay, Shap, Kupabuzan, never to me. Mammy, Kupabuzan, what's that one thing ever done for love? Into the
Yo,
Kupakalaga and President go pay for you.
yo.
But it's not insane. It's okay. It's not with one person. Both of my exes.
Yeah.
Right. So I like traveled like fucking long distance.
For
Both
both of them.
Right.
From where
For
to
both
where?
of them and stuff. Right. Okay, this one's gonna want a whole story time. I don't wanna speak a lot.
No, like just
right.
give us location. Okay, let me from Soweto to Mabopane.
Okay, one was from Soweto to Santon.
Mm.
The Uber was 500 rand for both. So
So
it was
who
like
paid the
1K. Right. Guys, I don't believe in men paying for me because I have a dad. Right. And when men pay, they want things and stuff. So I don't wanna like make men pay for me. So yeah, I paid 1K and stuff.
Oh.
And then the other one, I was in Santon because I stayed in Bryanston, right? And stuff. And then I paid from the Uber was from Bryanston. and I went.
That's how much.
I went to PTA.
It was how much? 900, ne?
No, it wasn't bad. He paid for me to go back. It was around 2 a.m. So it was very expensive. So at least, yeah, he paid for me going back. Yeah, that's like most of that.
What's the like maximum amount you have ever spent
On the guy.
Yeah.
On. Or like Ubers, whatever.
On a guy, because
anyhow, like
what
anyhow.
happened? Oh, yeah, go ahead.
Okay, for Uber, it was 2K.
2K.
Uber.
Like you,
And then-
like you look like umuntu onotshana. Like you easily love
But
someone.
I'm a cheater, so. But I love as well. I love a lot. Like, I have a lot of love to give, hence I give it to so many people. But like with the man that I'm talking to now, I'm not gonna cheat on him.
Okay, what's the reason for you to cheat?
Because my dad is a cheater, right? So
Yeah, but
my dad's a cheater, so it's genes.
oh, okay,
Yeah.
genes, ne? You are the offspring, ne?
Yeah.
So all your family they are cheaters.
No, it's just my dad.
So one day you gonna enter your home.
No, he stopped. He's a new man now.
He's a new man.
Yeah, if he could change, I'm also
He's
gonna
baptized,
change.
ne?
So right now you're
Yes,
following
I'm
his
also
Oh.
gonna
steps.
change.
You follow the
I
steps.
changed. Yeah, I changed for the one I'm talking
How
to
does
now.
it feel, Vele, cheating?
It's so good.
Because it's okay. Like, what's so cool?
It's so good and stuff. Even
But what I'm saying,
no, it's like for my own benefit, not for like hurting the
so
other guy.
benefit.
I love lamzaring, so like, yeah.
But one day it's gonna be Lamza and then inside the bed.
No, I'm waiting for marriage.
Marriage.
for marriage.
What if you aren't gonna get married?
I will.
Not
You will,
everyone
for
is
sure.
gonna get married.
If I don't, then I'm gonna die a virgin.
How you gonna
The
get
Bible says, wait for marriage. So I'm waiting for marriage.
So who wrote the Bible?
It's different people that wrote their scriptures on rocks.
So they were talking to God before they wrote the Bible. That you should wait for marriage. Sex before marriage is a sin.
Yes.
So particularly, you wanna tell us that we are sinners.
Yes.
Okay.
If you have sex before marriage, you're sin.
What?
What is don't you?
What we are speaking to,
What
like,
is it
it's
that
a
you have done
follow-up.
for love and we can't believe that you did?
Kopang Hemis.
Jojo.
When you
Unkamasi.
asthma,
That's my
How you say that?
yona ke asthma lona
Source of energy. Discussion.
guys.
Breathe
I'm
in.
waiting on us.
Breathe in.
So
I get gig on Ghana.
the guy I was dating, okay, the guy I'm with now. I went to my father's grave and I
What does it feel like? It's just talk about
Use
it.
your buzz.
yeah.
Oh, okay. So you can't check it now.
Yeah, we could. We can start. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it over and done with.
Wait, Tomil,
Are you good?
you good?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you good?
I'm good.
Okay, sharp name. Can you give us like your red flag in a guy?
My red flag
Yeah.
guy. A nigga that's too friendly. Like if you speak to too many girls, like your following list looks like you go to an all girls school.
A following list that looks like you give away pads.
Exactly. A following list that looks like you're gay. I'm sorry.
A following
No.
list that makes you look like you do lashes.
Exactly. Like you look like you a nail tech. I'm sorry. Give me 0.
Yeah.
A nigga that's too friendly. I hate niggas that are too friendly. Like every girl gets along with you. No, I can't. That's my biggest red flag in a nigga.
Okay, like physical appearance wisely, what are your red flags?
Yeah. A
This
nigga
is
that
my hot take.
no, go first.
This is my hot take.
Mm.
Just the hot take. Don't come for me. Sorry, guys. If I catch you in skinny jeans and no socks, I'm sorry. I'm
Skinny jeans,
sorry.
likavela.
Boy, I hate
It's
ankles.
2025.
I hate seeing ankles. So if I catch your ankles there and you're wearing no socks, I'm fucking now turned off. And then on top of that, you're gonna wear skinny jeans that show that you're like show everything. If you hard, now I'm gonna see your. Anyways, that.
And also, if you're wearing skinny jeans with flip flops, give me 0. Flip flops with socks.
Oh, without socks, I'm seeing your toes there.
Nigga.
And your toes look fucking raggedy.
And umbashit, I cannot
So-
go.
That's really
Or
cool.
even no, wait, let me speak. A nigga with big teeth, like so everywhere. And you like smiling. Come on.
So what's your take on a gold teeth?
Disgusting. Sorry, that's just
gold
me.
teeth?
Yeah.
It depends on where they are. Like if you have like gold teeth that looks like grills, come bite me.
Obvious.
Come bite
Girls
me.
can be removed, obviously.
Come bite me. If you have gold teeth like here,
Mm.
come bite me.
Okay.
Gladly so.
Okay, describe your type then.
My type.
Yeah.
My type is my man. Yeah.
Like
Who's
describe
wrong?
me.
Just be taller than me. Don't be too ugly. Like my niggas tall and brown mixed with a little bit of ugly. Like don't be too ugly.
Dark
Like
light.
I don't have a specific like skin color that I'd go for. I wouldn't say I go for light skins. Just don't be lighter than me and don't be darker than me. Like
So what's your take on tall, dark, and handsome? Because of most of the girls prefer that tall, dark, and
I'm
handsome.
sorry, tall, dark and handsome. You look like you're gonna steal.
People think that their future is like they don't have a future based on where they come from. I pressed the button. Okay. Most people believe they don't have a future or their future is not as bright because of where they come from and stuff. And because of that, now they have limits and they limit their I don't know, they limit what they think they are, or they limit themselves because of their background. And most successful people actually come from very rough backgrounds, but because they believe in themselves, they're actually as successful as they are. So I'd like to say don't
Don't
take
limit
yourself. Yeah,
yourself.
don't take yourself as small and stuff because of where you come from. You have a lot of potential and stuff, and a lot of people around here have a lot of talent that they don't showcase because of where they come from and the things they have, lack of resources, whatever. Use what you have. Finally, TikTok, my babe, and stuff. But anyways, yeah. What was the last question?
You seem like you have turned it like many times.
I'll stop it.
Journalist story.
I've changed. I'm a new person. I don't trend anymore.
So okay, according to you, like what do you think people can understand about travel and the opposite?
Okay, so I'd like to think that I'm gonna start with the guys. I don't Skilanity show, and because of that, they now I don't know because now they're not themselves, right? You try to act all tough and stuff, but once you let your toxic masculinity down and you actually act like yourself and you're comfortable with yourself, and
People
then
will
now
love you more, trust
yes.
me.
So now you're trying to act tough, Mr. Tough Guy and stuff. You don't like Mr. Tough Guy. Be as vulnerable as you can, and then we can talk. I don't want a whole, oh my gosh, I can't do this because I'm gonna seem off as gay. I can't, I don't know. And what guys don't understand about girls, I don't know. There's a lot. So I speak a lot. I don't want to speak.
Okay, according to you, which gender is good at even cheating?
Pardon?
What?
It's good at cheating.
Girls.
Girls.
Well,
Girls just don't
Fucking
get
girls.
caught. Like girls are
make it investigate.
look out for your girlfriend. Watch your girlfriend. Girls are sneaky as hell. I'm sorry, girls. I'm gonna expose y'all. Girls are sneaky as hell. Like, where do you think I am when you're not around?
That's a bar for life.
Especially the ones that seem to love you a lot. Those girls that love a girls. If I come off as I love you so much, I'm obsessed with you, just know I'm fucking cheating deep down. Girls that show so much love know that they're only showing love because they don't want to get caught. Girls cheat a lot. I'm talking from experience, but I've changed. I promise. I've changed. But girls cheat a lot and stuff. Guys don't cheat properly because they always get caught. And when they do cheat, they don't know how to balance their.
No, we're not good investigators. You guys are just not
speaking.
sneaky enough. I'm sorry, my
No, I'm not saying you, him. He disturbed me. Anyways, yeah, when guys cheat, they show that they're cheating. They can't balance their cheating properly. They don't make time.
If you're gonna cheat on me, make time for the both
Yes.
of us.
If now you're dating before you dated me before her and stuff, you have to know that okay, at 12, every day I've been calling her at 12. I have to call her at 12 still. But now if you're gonna show that you can't call her at 12 still, I'm gonna know you're cheating.
Exactly.
When I cheat, I will still make time for all of you guys. I'll make all of you guys feel special.
I'll divide my time. Make sure you
All of
guys
you
feel
guys.
loved.
Oh.
Even I got a lot of love to give. I'm just saying.
I have a lot of love to give.
Last question. Obviously, guys seem to have found out they're too much. Give us your experience. How did you find out?
He was stupid. He was stupid. You can't be fucking with bitches that follow me. Like, my nigga, he was so stupid. Like, he cheated with a person I knew. Ne? Like, we were all like always around each other. So like you could see the energy is tense because the bitch used to get jealous when he gives me attention. So kabana khoraman, something is happening. So one thing I did is I got private investigators to like watch him. So I made sure I stayed absent to make sure gore ba mo phela a ke le absent ke opportunity I have phela. So what did he do? He did exactly what I thought he would do. Then I got bitches to take videos and pictures. And by the time I confront you, you can't deny it if I have a video and pictures.
Okay, how I found out the first time, because I've only dated twice, right? The first time, yeah. I like, did you heard me telling, but you heard me like the whole messages to my ex. I only told like 2 exes and 1 talking stage and stuff. Anyways, okay, the first time, this girl goes to Rand Park now. The guy went to A-Bots, right? Okay, cool. Oh, A-Bots niggas. Fuck you. Fuck A-Bots niggas. So the girl went to Rand Park is telling my cousin also goes to Rand Park. So this nigga, no, the girl from Rand Park told like everyone from Rand Park, I'm dating Hayden, I'm dating Hayden. Told my cousin, I'm dating Hayden. Tell me I'm dating Hayden. My cousin comes back to me and said, yeah, this other chart girly is dating your man and stuff. I didn't care because like I was over him at the time and he's acting like a fucking bitch. I met his dying grandma, by the way. Like literally, the grandmother was dying, and he told me he's like, I want you to meet her before she dies, and I did, and yeah, she did die. And also the second time I found out, it was through the video I told you guys and stuff. But then yeah, we got back together because like he didn't necessarily cheat. But then yeah, I never got caught though. Guys, have fun. Life is too short. Have fun. Like, have a joy. Do all the bad things. Parents don't get mad
I
forever.
think you've spoken a mouthful.
Pardon?
But don't give boys this thing.
Stay a virgin. Wait for fucking marriage because you're gonna be happy that you did. You're gonna have like unnecessary soul ties now because you fucking the whole world. Stay a virgin and then you'll fucking like you'll fuck all you want when you fucking get married. When you get every day, my babe, pass it down every fucking day. But for now, don't fuck. Focus on your books. Focus on yourself. Lamza anyone you wanna lamza, but then don't fucking fuck. Anyways, bye guys. Have a good day.
No, come over. So,
Gila!
yeah.
They're calling you one more time.
So now can I close it now? So yeah. Sinantse shota ngoba sibatla ukole video yabo since nagna live so batho ba batlang makauch e seng batho ba batlang batho ba batlang go follow makauch la.
Oh, you guys can. You bitches can't find me. What? I'm joking, guys. You guys can like find me on. I'm sorry, I get distracted very easily. You guys can find me on Instagram. 24 hours of Stana. 24 hours of dot Stana with 3 A's. Yes.
You can find me on Instagram. Kill now K1LL full stop now underscore. No.
King, you.
I use Facebook too. I have Facebook, but not for me. It's to stalk my talking stages mom and stuff. And then yeah,
We got all your moms on Facebook.
It's not even my username. It's a white girl. It's a white lady on the profile picture. A white grandmother, by the way. Which her name is Deborah, and all. Yeah, it's to like stalk mothers and stuff. And on TikTok, I wish Frank Ocean was real.
I do. It's 24 hours. It's 24 hours of Stana as well. And I'm sorry. No.
But yeah, TikTok is one. Wish Frank Ocean was real.
But you look like a scam.
Mang, sister scam.
I don't like what?
Social media see like any
Okay, bye guys. Have
Have
nice
a wonderful
days.
day. Don't die.
Yeah, avoid drugs, leave drugs,
No,
don't smoke
drugs are
chew.
good, guys.
Don't smoke
Drugs
chew.
are good.
Don't.
Do drugs. Do fucking drugs.
Sentini phela ngiphethe amasoja sizofela empini uzwile bathi bakhala ngokotini uthwele ibhiri li-VSOPs ngamabhoza wendawo lapho azinanovalo sizothatha abantwana baphuzisa vane nithithola bade vibe lethe nezadla sekuvuluka amakhaleni siphila kamnandi anoma ngingathini for the babies usekafikile usazoshawa amahini uzongathi udisi emzuzu bambili uphathe helini usazoshawa amahini emithi noma ngingathini for the babies usekafikile usazoshawa amahini uzongathi udisi emzuzu bambili uphathe helini usazoshawa amahini ishuwa da 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 da